Sayydal Astigfar, the most superior way of asking forgiveness from Allah. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if somebody recites Sayydal Astigfar during the day with firm faith in it and dies on the same day before the evening, he will be from the people of paradise. And if somebody recites it at night with firm faith in it and dies before the morning, he will be from the people of paradise. Sahih Bukhari. Allahumma, anta Rabbi, la ilaha illa anta. Khalaqtani wa ana abduka, wa ana ala ahdika wa wa'dika mastata'tu. Awuzu bika min sharri ma sana'tu. Laka bini'matika alaiya, wa Laka bizambi, fagfirli, innahu la Yagfiru-az-zunuba anta. O Allah, you are my Lord. None has the right to be worshipped except you. You created me, and I am your servant. And I obey to your covenant and promise as best as I can. I take refuge in you from the evil of which I committed. And I acknowledge your favor upon me, and I acknowledge my sin. So forgive me. Indeed, none can forgive sin except you. Sahih Bukhari.